Hi everybody, good morning. This is Jean here. Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for you. The weather is still hot and muggy, but not quite as bad as it was. Went out for my walk, and we've had a busy morning here at the Trueloves. I'm gonna put some video up. As you know, we have had some really bad, hopefully you can hear me, some really bad windstorms here in Pennsylvania. Hurricane strength winds, couple tornadoes, oh, the silly weather, and a big tree out front, right out front of our old house here. On two different occasions, the two massive limbs have broken off. The tree is was a bit dangerous, even though it's so beautiful. We had, if you remember, we had contacted our energy provider, Pico. They did come out, and basically I didn't realize the wires that are hanging below the tree branch, or the tree branch that is hanging above the wires, are not power lines. They are more communication lines. And Pico is saying they don't do that tree trimming unless it is impeding with the power lines. So again, we've been having some tremendous windstorms, and we were just so frightened. So we called our son Dominic. Actually, they came over for a meal, he and his family, the other night, and we just showed him. He's lost trees also, but he came over this morning, and he had his chainsaw and his tree climbing gear, which he does. Not as a business, as a hobby, and he helped us. He, Maxwell, and Ian have made the tree safe. We have not cut the tree down. It's too big. He didn't have the equipment for that, and we have actually left the branch over the other lines because he wasn't about to touch that. We had gotten in touch with a friend, tree surgeon, but he's been so busy with all of the things, and Dominic said, oh, I'll do it. So he came with the help of Ian and Maxwell. I'll put some footage up. He is leaving, we are leaving a large trunk of the tree and a big offshoot. If that does fall, it will just fall down. But it's massive, and he was saying the things that he cut down were actually live. It was just that they were growing so big, and the winds were so tremendous. So he says, just leave it. It might regenerate itself in many years to come. So I was so pleased that he didn't cut the entire tree down. Yeah, but so we're safe now. I just feel so much better. I just feel so much better. The footage that I'm putting up, hopefully when I edit this, I can cut out the traffic noise. As you know, we live on a very busy road. This is our backyard, which is not busy whatsoever, but we live on a busy road, and it was during rush hour this morning. So we're out there with chainsaws. Right now, Maxwell is cutting the grass in our little property here, and let me turn this around here. Maybe you can see him. Hold up. There's our house. There's Maxwell. So he's cutting the grass there, and Ian is around the front picking up the limbs and everything. We don't have a fireplace or a wood-burning stove in this house. We've always had, but what we did get is we got a really nice fire pit, wrought iron fire pit, with actually like 2 cooking grates. If we ever lose power, we can cook. We do have a generator and everything, but we thought it would be nice to have this fire pit. So now we have wood. We've always had wood, us and wood and woods and trees coming down, right? One disaster after. So thank you so much for watching me and for all of your kindness. And yeah, we're gonna get to cleaning up the branches now. All right, folks, I hope you enjoy the video. Love from the Trueloves. See ya. Okay. And this light's got to come down. This light's got to come down. Clever boy. Oh, let there be light. That's it.
So that's it.
Wow.
So we can have fun, right? How do you leave it just the way it is now? You want that one over this way, staying up. I think it's quite good. And this isn't lifting anything. Okay.
So this branch here, this is not power. This is all communication. This is all communication. So if this branch, which our son is not going to touch right now, is communication lines. The power lines are much higher.